Welcome back. And now a look at the other happenings around the state.
Now you don't have to travel in the cities to witness an aquarium. After great success of Abyss the Underworld Aquarium, another has come up in Karwar. The management of Pradeep Sheth has undertaken the maintenance of the aquarium. For Pradeep, this is a hobby and more of a social work.
Actually, this is an educational project. Tourists asat, पण चड 90% educational. कारण जे आता हांगासर जी नुस्ती आसतली ती इंडियन अशी न्हू, ती मलेशिया, सिंगापूर, बँकॉक अशा सगळ्या देशांचे असे कलेक्शन आसतले.
Nargal has been newly inaugurated. It provides a wide range of electronic products, may it be mobile phones, DVD players, refrigerators, home theatre system, microwave ovens or television. You get it all here at one stop in Nargal.
इथं ते तुम्ही सिटीनी शोरूम असतात पण ते पार्किंगाचा खूप प्रॉब्लेम असता. वेरेज माझी अशी प्लेस असा की ती पार्किंग भरपूर असता. पण फुल फॅमिली माझ्या शोरूमान गाडी डायरेक्टली हाडून ते पार्किंग करून व्यवस्थितपणे हे पोवपाक जाता प्रोडक्ट कितें आसा ते.
Maruti has launched an elegant car in its range of stylish cars. Stingray will now be your latest choice. It has been launched all over India and now in Goa too.
We are launching this Stingray across India yesterday and in Goa today. It is available at all the dealerships from today. If you'll see the features in this car, we have projected headlamps, the grille, the side skirting, the gun alloy wheels, and if you look at the interiors, it's all stylish in black with all the latest features, technologically loaded car. It's the car for young generation.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Rahul Verma of Maharashtra won the second edition of Fomento All India FIDE rating chess tournament at Miramar on Saturday. Karnataka's Ramchandra Bhatt emerged runner-up, while local boy Nitish Belurkar finished third in the tournament organized by Rudreshwar at Club Tennis de Gaspar Dias.
Ramchandra Bhatt from Karnataka. And the winner of second Fomento All India FIDE rating chess tournament is Rahul Verma from Maharashtra.
खेल के बहुत बढ़िया लगा. यहाँ पे टूर्नामेंट अरेंजमेंट बहुत अच्छा था. खेलने में राउंड का डिस्टर्बेंस बिल्कुल नहीं था और बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने अरेंज किया टूर्नामेंट.
मैं एक्चुअली 1978 से खेल रहा हूँ. बहुत सारा टूर्नामेंट खेला था मगर इधर का एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा. अच्छा हॉल मतलब अरेंजमेंट जो था बहुत ही अच्छा था और खेलने के लिए भी मज़ा आया.
The second place goes to Vernon Culasso and the first place is backed by Leon Mendoza. In under 9 open category, the second place is won by Varun Shastri. Under 13 category girls, the winner is Reema Naik.
Bondera festival was celebrated with fun and cheer at the Var Island on Saturday. Locals and tourists enjoyed the spectacular display of floats. Have a look at the celebration of Bondera captured by Sushant Pal. And this is to all our viewers. Viva Bondera! With this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.